All right, I'm back with another issue. I messaged you the other day about certain buttons not working on the radio. I just drove about 3 hours from another city here, and about a little before halfway down the road here, while listening to music, the radio just stopped, turned black, would kind of kick on, whatever. As you see, I still have controls over all my the air conditioning and stuff, and everything, but I have no screen. And I've tried the reset right in here. When I push it, you see everything goes out. Hold it for a couple of seconds, turn it back on. Lights come back on here, the seat, everything like that. But the radio won't turn back on. So I don't know what to do at this point. Nothing's working on here. Push and hold the power button, does nothing. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can do something for me. Thank you.